Merry Christmas, everybody. I fixed some amazing things at Christmas. It's very hard to talk in this beard. Who remembers this? But that's not all. Who remembers? That's right, it's the horrifically scary Satan Santa. I think it's actually broken again, which is probably a good thing. Oh, sorry, I can't do this. But now, I've gone and bought this. Faulty from eBay. I've no idea why. I can't remember what the listing said about this, other than it's awful. I don't think it said that, actually. Well, it's apparently faulty, so let's plug it in and find out. Nice. Well, it comes on. Is this supposed to spin round? Well, I don't know whether it's supposed to play music, but it's not doing. I think it's just supposed to spin round and make this nice little ice skating scene, which you can't really see. There, you can see it there. But it's not doing. I mean, it looks pretty, but that isn't spinning. I can hear a motor. Oh. It moved then. This could be quite an easy one. Well, I guess we better open it up and see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. Just hope VOS doesn't do some kind of a stupid Christmas wrap. You probably won't have time, because I don't imagine it's going to take me very long to open this.
Christmas time is the time when we all come together, fixing this, fixing that, whatever the weather. Whether you sat round the fire with your pie made of mince, stick on the telly trying to fix with my mate Vince. Santa's brought you some brand new kicks, stick 'em on, settle down with some StezStix fix. With your boughs of holly and your halls all decked, prepare with your boy, Joey does tech. Merry Fixmas, bring everyone together, 'cause Christmas time is when we fix things, make them better. Merry Fixmas, now we can get together at Christmas time and we can fix things, make them better. In the mix, getting clicks, the Legendtronic sticks, fighting right to repair, and all the it inflicts. Christmas tree smelling nice, gotta love that odor. Who's that on the tube? It's your main man, the coder. Buy it, fix it, the sentiment is clear. It's Christmas, everyone, so grab yourselves a beer. Chilling out in the snow, so enjoy your breaks. No mistakes, let's partake in viewing kid cakes. Merry Fixmas, bring everyone together, 'cause Christmas time is when we fix things, make them better. Merry Fixmas, now we can get together at Christmas time and we can fix things, make them better.
See? Told you it wouldn't take me very long. Well, there's bits of like polystyrene in there, which isn't going to help. Well, let's switch it back on now and see what it's doing. Oh, it's working. Well, everything's spinning. Oh, this one's not spinning though, and that's the one that needs to spin. Is there a cog missing? I think there's a cog missing here. I think that's all it is. Although that belt looks really loose as well. Oh, oops. I don't know. No, I think it's okay. Right, I suppose I need to go and see if I've got any cogs. Probably not like that, I don't. I might have to make one. Here I have a bag of gears. Right, so this one here is lower down than this one here. So it needs a gear that's got 2 gears on. A gear with 2 gears, if that makes sense. Yeah, something like that. But not that. Maybe like that. Also not that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Right, that one goes on there. And it turns. So now I just need something to turn that one, because that doesn't reach. Who'd have thought this would be so difficult? Right. I'm a bit stuck. I'm massively struggling here. I've got these two gears here that I've tried to super glue together. It's just not really working. I think these are going to fit, kind of. I think it's going to do something. But I just can't get these two to stick together. So I'm going to try and poke my soldering iron through here and here and see if I can get like a plastic weld. Probably not going to work. But let's try it. You know what? Don't know. It's gone through both of them. Whether they've sort of fused together or not is another thing. Has that worked? Do you know what? I think it has. They are now very, very
solid.
Awesome. I still don't know if the gear's actually going to work, whether it's going to be a good fit, but it's the closest I've got so far. Just need to make this hole a little bit bigger. Right, does that turn? Yes, it does. Is it going to turn the middle piece? That is the question. Here we go. Yes! It does! Well, let's see if it works with the actual plate on it. Oh, I might have to do a bit of bodge work on here as well, because it's got sort of holes to put these pins through, but I know obviously I don't have one there. Right, let's try that. Yes. Right, is this middle bit going to spin? Yes. Let me just tidy up and then I'll test it. Sure I am. Right, here goes. The moment of truth. Yes! It's kind of struggling, but I think that adds to the charm. Remind me to never buy any Christmas decoration things ever again. I mean, stupid Merry Christmas.
Merry Fixmas, bring everyone together, 'cause Christmas time is when we fix things, make them better. Merry Fixmas, now we can get together at Christmas time and we can fix things, make